Hello guys, today I will show you my website navbar section. This is my navbar section. Here we have nav logo, nav links with hover effect and user icon, and this is fully responsible navbar. If I open it small window, then it will disappear and show hamburger. Let's see. Nav link is disappear and we have hamburger. If I click it, nav link will open. If I click movie section, it will redirect movie page, and if I click home section, it will redirect home page. Now let's see the code. This is my navbar code. This is true false is open state that will use to when to open navlink and when not to open navlink in a small windows. Then we have nav logo code, then we have nav link, and it will disappear large screen. Then we have user icon, and it and this is hamburger, and it will disappear large screen, and it will appear on the small screen. And last, this is nav link, and it will appear only small screen when user click hamburger. And this is my code, and if you see any error and mistake, please correct me.